Hello everyone, welcome to Research for Beginners. In this short video, we will learn how to compute a new variable in SPSS using the compute variable option. In our previous videos, we learned how to transfer data from Google Forms to Excel and how to import Excel data into SPSS. Now, we already have our questionnaire data in SPSS and we are ready to prepare it for analysis. For this video, we will use subjective well-being as an example. Subjective well-being is measured using 8 questionnaire items adapted from Diener et al. And later suggested in recent research. These items are measured on a 5-point Likert scale. The response options are 1 equal to strongly disagree, 2 equal to disagree, 3 equal to neither agree nor disagree, 4% equal to agree, 5 equal to strongly agree. The 8 items are: I lead a purposeful and meaningful life. My social relationships are supportive and rewarding. I am engaged and interested in my daily activities. I actively contribute to the happiness and well-being of others. I am competent and capable in the activities that are important to me. I am a good person and live a good life. I am optimistic about my future. People respect me. Since all 8 items, SWB1, SWB2, SWB3, SWB4, SWB5, SWB6, SWB7, SWB8 measure the same concept, we need to combine them into one overall variable. In SPSS, we can do this by using the compute variable option. We will create a new variable called SWB. This variable will represent the average subjective well-being score of each respondent. Let us start the process in SPSS. To create the new variable, go to the top menu. Click Transform, then click Compute Variable. A new dialog box will appear. In the target variable box, type the name of the new variable. Here we will type SWB mean. This means mean score of subjective well-being. Now go to the numeric expression box. Type the formula mean SWB1, SWB2, SWB3, SWB4, SWB5, SWB6, SWB7, SWB8. This tells SPSS to calculate the average score of all 8 items. However, beginners do not need to type the full formula manually. SPSS also provides a helpful option through function group and functions in special variables. In the compute variable window, look at the right side of the dialog box. First, go to function group and select statistical. Then, under functions and special variables, search for mean. Select mean and move it into the numeric expression box. SPSS will insert the mean function into the formula area. Now, from the variable list on the left side, select the first item, SWB1, and move it into the formula. Then add the remaining items one by one: SWB2, SWB3, SWB4, SWB5, SWB6, SWB7, and SWB8. Make sure all 8 items are placed inside the brackets of the mean function and separated by commas. The final formula should look like this. Once the formula is complete, click OK. Now click OK. SPSS will now create a new variable called SWB. This new variable shows the overall subjective well-being score for each respondent. Because the original scale is from 1 to 5, the computed mean score should also fall between 1 and 5. In this video, we learned how to compute a new variable in SPSS. We used 8 subjective well-being items and created one mean score using transform, compute variable. This method is useful for creating total scores, mean scores, and scale scores in research. In the next video, we will learn how to reverse code items in SPSS. Thank you for watching Research for Beginners. Please like, share, and subscribe.